Hi, Riley here with concealedcarry.com, and today I'm going to talk with you about a new product. This came out just in the last couple of months. I think they just started shipping in February, and really excited about this one. It's a flashlight, and this is from a brand called Noxon, N-O-X-O-N, and this flashlight is called the Anark. Now, this is actually a sub-brand, I guess you could say, of Modlite. And for a long time, I've been carrying my Modlite with the OKW light head on it here. This is the short light body and the OKW head. And of course, I've got this little Theorem switchback ring on it there. This has been my daily carry for a long time, just right here in my left pocket. I can reach right down in there, grab it. And this has been a great light because it's a very powerful light. It's got excellent throw. It's got enough brightness. I mean, if I light you up in the face with this, you really can't see anything. And in fact, I'll tell you a story. A few months ago, it's probably like November thereabouts, and this is April as we're recording this. I just encountered a couple of guys on my street that I didn't recognize. I'd never seen them before. They were dressed somewhat to obscure their features. They were hiding their faces a little bit. They were up to no good. And I just came around a corner out for a late night walk and just ran right into them. So it was kind of almost one of those situations I'd much rather prefer to just avoid, but I couldn't avoid it. And I brought my light out and I just basically lit them up. I mean, I didn't go right to their faces because I didn't think they were initially a threat right off the bat, but I lit them up with this light, and they were like, "Hey man, hey, whoa, hey, what's up with the light?" And it definitely got their attention. And then we had a little bit of exchange as I told them, "Hey, I don't know who you are, but you need to be getting out of here," kind of thing. And they did leave. And so that's one of the reasons why you should have a good defensive light, particularly one that's actually strong enough, powerful enough, that's focused enough that you can actually have an effect on people. Because if you're just relying on the light of your cell phone, it's not going to get it done. It's fine for a task light. It's fine to just see around in the darkness, the floorboards of your car or whatever, but it's not a tactical light. This has been in my pocket for tactical reasons, and it's been used in that context a number of times over the years. And now there's nothing that I have to complain about this light except, it is a little bit larger. It's got a pretty good diameter. I do appreciate the length of this, but it's a pretty good sized light nonetheless. The only other thing is that this has one setting on, okay, and it's full power all the time. And while I could find some lights out there that have like an administrative or a lower setting versus the full brightness setting, and I've used some lights like that in the past, I'm not always happy with how some of those are executed. I've used a light similar to this in size and form factor for a number of years, and what I've done is actually carried that together with this one. And the reason why is because that other light was more of my task and administrative light that I used for a lot of various everyday things. In fact, you'd be amazed how often I use that light. And so I've appreciated that light for its form factor. And then this was the one I'd use for defensive or tactical use. Well, hey, it's two lights and I gotta have two spots for in a pocket. Well, when I saw the Noxon Anark at SHOT Show, I was really impressed. First of all, it's got a lower setting, a lower brightness that you can activate through the use of this switch right here. And you can press and hold and get a momentary on-off. Okay, so if I just press and hold and release, it goes on and off, or you can just click it and it's going to stay on. Okay, and so I appreciated that. And then it's got a tail cap switch here. Okay, so same thing there. Now this is going to be full power. Anytime I use this tail cap switch, it's always the full power. Anytime I use the side switch, it's that lower setting, right? So I liked that separation of duties, if you will, from more of an administrative use to a tactical use. And same thing here. It's got momentary. If I tap and release, okay, or hold and release, it goes on and off. And if I just tap it, then it comes on and stays on until I tap it again to turn it off. So I was very excited about the way it functioned. I thought that was very thoughtful. All right, and so that was really cool. Well, then the question is well, how useful is the tactical side of the light? Because some of those other smaller lights like this don't always perform the best in those kinds of contexts. They have too much flood, they don't have enough focus in the beam, they're not bright enough in the first place. Well, the Noxon Anark, I believe, is 1,000 lumens, and it has 24,000 candela, I believe, or thereabouts. It's 24,000, and just in practical use, we've used this in the dark. We filmed a whole video course called Defense After Dark, which will be available soon, that, you know, we actually use this in some scenarios, and the person on the other side was not very pleased with how bright this was when I was lighting him up with it. And so that was a good thing to see. And also, you know, just testing it out outside at night and seeing, you know, how far I can get it to throw, and how accurately I can read, you know, whether it's a person, whether it's what's in their hands, whatever it is, you know, just being able to read detail. I was really impressed that I could see a person and get facial expressions and objects in their hands and understand what they're doing out to 35, 40, even 50 yards with this light. And I think that's more than adequate for what I'm looking for in a, you know, everyday carry sort of tactical light. And so I think it passes the test as far as being a viable tactical light, while giving you that administrative side that's nice to have when you just need a little light in the dark. So far it's checked all the boxes in that regard. So I was very excited about this, because essentially what it meant was taking this and my other administrative light from a competing brand and having two lights back in the drawer and one light to replace them both in the pocket. And that's what I've done with the Noxon Anark. This has been now my everyday carry for about 2 months, and it continues to not let me down. Like, it continues to impress me. I have been very pleased with everything I've done with this light thus far. Another nice feature is that it has the clip here that is actually reversible, so it can go with the bezel down or bezel up. And then the way it actually comes from the factory is set up for bezel down carry. So in other words, the button here, the tail cap switch, is on the top side. That was opposite of how I was used to using my other light that was similar in design. And I kind of didn't want to have to retrain that. But also in practice and in talking with some other users of the Anark, they're having some inadvertent activations of the light while it's in their pocket with this switch being on the top. Well, that gets hot real fast and is not very comfortable. And so I have not had that problem, and I never really ran into it, because almost immediately after getting the light, I put the clip on the opposite side, so bezel up or button down. And I haven't had any issues with negligent discharges of the light while it's been in my pocket in that configuration. So, and then people like to know how it is that I use the light. Well, it's right here in that front pocket, and if you reach in there with your thumb and get that hooked kind of on the back side of the bezel and then grasp the clip and just pull it out, it rotates into your hand like this, and it's ready for use like so. So it's very fast and very intuitive and very easy to get out in your hand and able to get that light on all in just a split second. I mean, I've been there where I've just needed the light really fast, and you can get it out in about a second or so, and I'm very, very happy with how it deploys. So overall, couldn't be happier with the Noxon Anark. It's rechargeable. That's another thing to make mention of. So it's got a little, you know, silicone cap here. I'm struggling to get it out right now, but you know what's funny about that is I'm testing this still, and I'm not recommending you do this, but I have yet to charge this since I initially got it, and it's gotten used a fair bit. I suspect at some point it's going to, there's a little light here, an indicator light that's going to light up and say, hey, it's time to charge me, but I haven't hit that point yet. And so that's been kind of my own personal test, is to kind of see what's the reality of this. And the reality is my old light that was an administrative light that this is replacing was having to get recharged about once a month. And then we're 2 months into this, and I've used it a ton. And some of that's just been me playing around with it, and I still have yet to charge it. But it's USB-C rechargeable. It's super bright. It's got excellent characteristics for the size of light. It's got the throw, enough throw, I think, for what a person really needs, especially in an everyday context. and the activation of it is simple, intuitive, and not overly complicated or confusing. You see some other products out there where you got to, double tap and triple tap and quadruple tap or hold and do, like you got to do all these like weird gymnastics with the light in your hand just to get it to light up to a certain setting or brightness or whatever. Or you even have some where they actually have a lot of great features, but they're all in a single switch on the side, which doesn't work very well in a tactical setup. You're looking for being able to grasp it in your fist like so and using your thumb to activate the light. That's how we use a light. It's a lot less practical to hold it down like this because you want your light up here sometimes. You don't want it down here. And so you want a tail cap switch. This has all the features I was looking for. And here's the other thing I think makes it a total deal. And that is that the price on this, I think MSRP is like 125 or 129 bucks. That is really good value in today's world, especially when you compare it with some of its competing products that are out there. So I think it's very competitively priced, has all the specs that you want in everyday carry and tactical light. It's rechargeable. It's well built. I didn't mention it's an aluminum body. Okay, so it's solid. There's not any seams on it that are going to come apart that I can find. It's basically a single piece aluminum anodized body with a tail cap that you can see is screwed in there, but it's really, really solidly built. I'm just really impressed with the Anark. So there you go. That's the Noxon Anark. Check it out. You can find them at Modlite. Don't remember the exact website, modlite.com or modlite.us or something like that. We will have them hopefully for sale soon in the concealedcarry.com store as well. Thanks for watching.